Dali lang. Okay, so hi guys. Today is today is Friday. Ano na rin. Today's Friday. Matumini po sa grocery. Dahil usually pag Friday may grocery para pag Saturday wala na rin lakaw. Nya. Sa paman. Kung ngayon. Po, sa pa kung ngayon po. Og, yeah, today is 6 p.m. Medyo gloomy na because it's spring here sa Canada. Kanya, tugnaw na po kayo. Humot kayo dali. Kanya, humot kayo. So, ang akong na-observe. So what I have observed here sa St. John, especially here in the uptown area, is that when you're just walking around, it's common to smell marijuana. It's like, I don't know, you can't really see where the smell's coming from, but it's very noticeable, and yeah, because it is legal here. But we still don't do it because it doesn't do any good to your health. So, and the main purpose, by the way, why I'm making this vlog today is to answer that question. In my previous vlog, like someone commented there asking how to be a support engineer here in Canada. So, look at her. So, for you to be a support engineer, you, of course, very first thing is you will have to have an IT background. That's a very basic requirements that you have, because IT educational background, what I mean, because here they're very particular with it, and also you should have an experience. But if you don't, that is still fine, as long as you have an IT background. Yeah, and you also have to be knowledgeable with, of course, computers, operating system, printers, and other peripheral devices. You have to have a basic understanding about Active Directory, Office 365, Exchange configuration, because in the office that is usually what they will use. So you have to be familiar with that, and basically that's it. You will see a lot of YouTube videos about how to answer interview questions for an IT support engineer job, but what I will be sharing is just my personal experience. So I also used to work in like technical support there in Cebu and in Cagayan, and I was same like you guys. So yeah, just continue exploring. Continue your education. Yun ang that is the very important thing. And of course, while you're working, if it's possible, acquire certificate and certifications, and it would help you a lot, like Cisco, CCNA, or Microsoft certificate. So yeah, that's it. There's a lot of IT jobs here, so if you're planning to go to Canada, you can certainly get an IT job. Just be persistent, just do everything you can, just want it so bad, and you surely get it. So it's already 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to show you around in the remaining minutes of this vlog. So here it is. behind this. Okay, so I'm just leaving Nipo there because it will take her a while to finish. So I'm just gonna sit down at the side, play Mobile Legends, and that's what we usually do when we're making a grocery. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye.